Okay, I would like to introduce my newest puzzle that I just recently got, well, not actually got, but made. And here it is. You may be thinking, wait, what is this? Why does it look so horrible? Why does it rattle a lot? Well, start off, it's a paper Rubik's Cube. And now, I found a template online to make this, and I decided to make it. But when I found this template, it's not very accessible, so I'm gonna upload the template to DeviantArt, so it's easily accessible for everyone that watches this video. And I didn't do a very good job of making the cube. Now, you may have better luck with making it. It's supposed to be like a fully functional Rubik's Cube. Yeah. Like, as you can tell. Or better yet, let me try this side, the green side. Yeah. And, yeah, it's not that good. And, yeah. And now comparing the pieces to, like a regular Rubik's brand cube. Yeah. Okay. Corners. Exactly the same. Edges. And again, exactly the same. Okay. So, yeah. Off with the comparison and on more about the cube. And there's a exactly funny story about making this cube. Now in the orange center, as I was putting the core together, the center sort of, I accidentally added too much glue and it like just did not work very well. The centers are somewhat like this 2x2 center thing, but over it has this part with the thing over there, and then another part which is the colored part that you see outside. But like around here, there wasn't enough glue to keep this intact, so I added too much glue and made it over like too much and glued the whole thing together. So yeah, it's a nice concept to have a paper cube, but with it being so horrible that I built it so horribly, it's not working that well. Size comparison, the regular Rubik's Cube, it's about that big to an Easting 4x4, exactly the same size. And the color scheme is really odd. Green opposite of red, blue opposite of white, yellow opposite of orange. Now, if you don't really like that color scheme, you can go take the image of the image of the template before you put them out and go into some editing software, image editing software, and edit the pieces so that they have the correct color scheme. And go for it. I'm not held responsible for that. It's all up to you of how you do it. Free and not copyrighted. So you can edit it and use it as much as you want. A tip, building this, use an X-Acto knife to cut out pieces. Yeah, and be careful of how you cut it out, cut pieces out. And also, don't really use super glue that much. Use something like glue stick. Well, there's some parts of it where you really do need super glue, but it's not really that bad. Yeah. And so, that's my new paper cube. Paper Rubik's Cube. You should go build one.